body was here in one of the store. So there's a concern. The subsystem and chiller temperature alarming. So mga kaubayan kong Pinoy, let's figure out kung anong problema. This is the refrigeration rack system centralized. So let's see. Tignan natin. Let's check the alarm history. Yan. Marami siyang space alarm temperature limit. So let's figure out kung anong problema nitong iba. So this, naka-energize siya. This, not. Here, sa board, sa CPC control board. Also energized. This is for the compressor, no? So ito, everything is energized. So dito naman yung contactor of the compressor system energized. There's two that not energized. So let's check yung bakit yung control na. Check out yung pulse ko na. First thing first ay check natin yung control dito. Output. So this is open. Open, no? Check the others. Zero, it's closed. So it's closed. Compare dito. So 8 volt. This is open circuit. This is closed circuit. So ito yung fuse niya. This is the fuse. In each compressor, contactor. It's open. Just counterclockwise, open and oh, see, we have a burnout fuse. Itim na, kulay itim. Ito, compare natin sa iba. So nag-release yung contactor. Pag ginalik mo ito, nag-suspend yung contactor compressor. Fuse. Check natin for sure. Open. So what is the cause? Anong cause? Ba't pumutok yung fuse? Check natin yung mga ito yung mga parts. Yung dinadala nitong part, this fuse is control yung contactor and solenoid. So let's see. So this is the contactor, yun yung fuse niya. So the fuse G1, compressor 1. And here is the compressor. Ito yung compressor niya. Check natin ito. Sunod. Sunod po natin. Check the magnetic contactor. Dito naman ako sa contactor. Check natin yung tone nito. So safety first. Kaya natin muna para masabit. Ito pwede kung sumabit yun sa kabila. Ipas natin ang malayo ko. Meron natin. Okay. Alright. It's quiet. Tahimik na. Pinatay ko na lahat para sigurado ka. Remove this contacts. There. Remember this. Yeah. Ito may voltahe pa ito. Itong sa control. Still voltage. Separate na natin. Sila. So check the resistance of the contactors. Just check first. Okay. Yan, kita nyo naman yung tester. Okay. Okay. Over the limit. Wala yung resistance. They don't hit anything. So effective. So replace natin yung replace. To make it sure, para sigurado ka, compare mo sa to the other contactor na which is good. Kung yung resistance. So this one is good. Check mo rin. Tingnan mo yung resistance. See? 770. Compare mo rito sa shorted. Okay. Problema yung isang contactor na ito. Sulted na yung coil. Okay. Gonna remove this and replace contactors. Contactor na ito is meron siyang auxiliary. So itong auxiliary for oil. This is for the compressor oil to maintain the temperature of the compressor oil, warm temperature. Ito yung auxiliary. So I will replace this muna. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna get the parts. So this is my parts replacement, but this is not the original parts. Ito lang available sa market. Yan. Wala siyang para sa auxiliary. So what I'm gonna do, I get this relay. Ito meron tong normally closed, normally open. Ayan. Para masama natin yung auxiliary for oil, compressor oil. Ayan. Install ko muna. Inside, but more the inside. Okay, I already removed. Pagkala natin, so mouse natin yung luma. Ito yung bago pala, yung bago. So this is the tape contactor. Yeah. Pag tinanggal itong auxiliary contacts, so yeah, there's a clip there, other side. Yeah, clip. Yeah, just like that. Yan, ganyan lang. So ito makikita mo dito. You can see itim na sa baba. So there's the auxiliary. Let's see if compatible to this old. Oh wow, it's not. Okay, try camera. Just try. Oops. Try to install. Okay, good thing. Pumasya siya. So it fits. Okay, so there. Install na natin. There you go. So check this. Check this out. There. I'm gonna check if we have continuity. once this energize, it's closed. If energize, dapat open. Okay. All right. You can install this. Installed same specs old one, 40 amps full load amperes, 50 amps resistance to 8 to 30 volts coil. Yeah, so just put back everything connection. Okay, for the oil. Put everything the line side and load side first. Okay. Motor coil. So tayo ng konti bago di balik. Wait. Wait.